Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. Guzman, and I will be your instructor for today. Mood meter check-in. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling very happy because it's almost Friday and it's almost the end of the week. Let's go to the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Core value. Respect others. Always be respectful, courteous, and kind to others at all times. Treat others how you want to be treated. The Essential 55. Rule 16. Reminder, you must complete your homework every day. Keep calm and do your homework. Let's review. Remember, when you meet new people, be respectful, courteous, and kind. Always do your homework. Let's go over the days of the week. The week starts on Monday. Then Tuesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. And the weekend begins on Saturday and ends on Sunday. Today we are Thursday, September 17th, 2020. Let's go over the months of the year. The year starts on January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. This week's life skills lesson is washing dishes. Make sure you guys help out at home with your parents to wash dishes and keep the house clean. A reminder, please stay active. Go out and play. Have a good time. Make sure you break a sweat and exercise. Today's agenda is IEP goals. Today we will discuss IEP goals. Please go to your assigned channel to access your IEP goals to begin. And lastly, teacher contact information. If you guys need any help or have any questions, make sure to contact either of the teachers at any time. Thank you and have a great day.